Okay, today we're going to make a Python file. Let's just do test.py. Today we're just going to do a really simple project, and this is going to be Hello World. It's the first thing that most people ever program. What we want to do is print Hello World. Alright, that's what we want to do. So all we got to do is print it. So we just do print. There we go. And then we do quotes. Hello world. Look at that. It just gave us exactly what we wanted. Now all we have to do is save test.py and click play. Boom, 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 boom. Boom! There we go. See that? Printed hello world. And all you need is Visual Studio. You need to get Python running on your machine. And then you can run code like this.